if you want to grow quicker on YouTube, you need to start implementing some hacks into your strategy. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 different hacks that are going to help to skyrocket your growth on YouTube in 2023. So make sure to pay close attention, because I'm only gonna say this once. Hack number 1 is to start speaking directly to the camera. Now, there's been a huge trend recently where creators have started to speak directly to the camera, looking at the camera and speaking like they're having a one-on-one conversation with the viewer. And this is something you should definitely try out. This is going to increase the human element of your videos, and it's also going to make people feel more connected to your content and therefore more likely to subscribe. And then when you do this, you need to use this exact phrase, "Hey, it's me." Because when people see that phrase, they're more likely to trust you and therefore more likely to subscribe to your channel. Hack number 2 is to use emojis in your titles and in your descriptions. Now, most people don't know this, but you can actually put emojis into your titles and your descriptions. And according to Vidic, using an emoji in your title increases the click-through rate by 60%. So what you should do is use an emoji that is relevant to the video that you're making. For example, if you're making a video about how to grow on social media, you could use the social media emoji, or you could use the thumbs up emoji, because that emoji is used to show that you approve of something, and therefore, you could use that to get people to hit that subscribe button. Hack number 3 is to make your calls to action more conversational. Now, when you're making a video, it's important that you tell people to subscribe. But instead of just saying, "Hey, please subscribe," what you should do is make it more conversational. For example, you could say something like, "If you've enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future videos." Not only does this sound better, but it's also going to get more people to take that desired action that you want them to take, which in this case is subscribing. Hack number 4 is to change the color of your subscribe button. Now, most people don't realize this, but you can actually change the color of your subscribe button from the studio. And what you should do is change it to a color that matches your branding or a color that stands out to you. When people see a subscribe button that has a different color, they're going to be more likely to click on it because it stands out to them. Therefore, it's going to get you more subscribers. And finally, hack number 5 is to ask your viewers to turn on notifications. Now, there's nothing worse than uploading a video and then not getting any views for that video. And a big reason why this happens is because people don't have notifications turned on. So you need to make sure that you tell people to turn on notifications. You could say something like, "If you want to see a new video from me every single week, make sure to turn on notifications so that you never miss a video." So those are 5 different hacks that you can use to get more subscribers on YouTube. Now, if you want to grow quicker on YouTube, you need to implement these hacks into your strategy. If you want to learn more about how to grow on YouTube, make sure to stay tuned, because that's all I do is help you grow on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.